The very smallest and tallest boy of our school. 9th class, Mahesh. 9th class అంటే నమ్ముతున్నా అందరూ.
Disconnected.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mahesh. I am studying 9th class. 7th Keku Mahesh. Headmaster madam, respect teachers, guests, villagers and my dear friends. 78th Independence wish to all of you. We got independence on 15th August 1947. So many freedom fighters fought for our freedom like Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev hanged for freedom. They sacrificed their lives to make